Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're here in North Goa and I'm going to be showing you guys this famous area which is called Porvorim. It's famous for locals and tourists as well. I wanted to show you guys something which is a little different from the tourist areas like Baga and Calangute. So I'm going to show you guys this area. This has Goa's biggest mall. We are going to check out cafes, restaurants, bars, everything that's available on this road. Also they have cheap accommodation available here. Guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button, as well as if you want to check out cool places here in Goa, follow me on Instagram for more cool places. So anyway guys, let's go and check out this area here in Porvorim. Okay guys, so we are right now on the main Porvorim highway here going towards Mapsa, and I'm going to show you some of the cool places on the way. So over here on the left is like this vegetable and fruit vendor, but I just wanted to show you a place over here. You see that stand here? If you come here anytime in the evenings at around 4 o'clock onwards, you get some of the best shev puri and like golgappas, pani puri, whatever it is, and it's amazing. So that is one of the best places. Easy way to find it is over here. There is the Porvorim petrol pump. This is the only petrol pump that is available here in Porvorim. So if you search for Porvorim petrol pump, it's bang opposite. So here we are now on the main area of the road, and this area is very popular, and this is like one of the trending areas now coming up here. So I'm just going to show you guys, there is some good accommodation also over here. So over here you see the Golden Plateau. This is a nice hotel that is over here on the left. So if you guys want to come to Goa and get a nice budget option, this is the hotel here, the Golden Plateau. I'll show you a few other options that are available on this road. Porvorim is close to Panjim city. It's around 3 kilometers, so you can get like really good options in this area. This is one of the best vegetarian restaurants here, Navratna. I always order on Swiggy every day. This is like only 2 minutes from my house, but I always order from Swiggy. They have two of these restaurants here. So one is here and one is there. It's the same restaurant basically. They call it 1 and 2. So this is the second one. On the right here is the Delfino supermarket. Now this is one of the best supermarkets in Goa here. If you've been to Kandalim before, you've probably been to the Delfino supermarket there, and they have everything from international foods to one of the biggest alcohol collections as well. And if you want beers, then they have like all international beers as well. This is Sunny's stationery here. If you really want to get into artwork or anything, they have all the kinds of canvas and everything available in that Sunny stationery. So I'm giving you guys a virtual tour besides like the beaches and the main areas. I just wanted to show you guys another part of Goa which is where the locals live. This is very trending area where I live myself. So yeah, so a few of the things that you can check out on this road. Now we'll be coming up closer to the mall now, which is the biggest mall in Goa. Here on the right is the mall just up ahead. So these are the buses. If you want to take transport from Panjim, you can come from Panjim to Calangute or anything. There are buses all on this road constantly. But these are the main buses that go to the Mapsa bus stand, which is the main bus stand here. So here on the left hand side of the road, this area is quite popular for restaurants. They also have like cool stuff like, see these EV Planet, they have like all electric bikes. You can get moksha. This is a nice Nepali Tibetan restaurant that is here. Hi Boutique is if you want to buy some clothing. Then they have like all the surplus type of clothing. They're very cheap, like you can get all Gap and those kind of t-shirts for very cheap. And yeah, let's look at the right here guys. So this is the biggest mall here in Goa. This is called Mall the Goa. This is right on the highway. The parking is right there, so you can do your parking and go. They also have underground parking if you want to go for underground parking. So there is more veg options here. There is La Pinoy's Pizza. This is also Hotel Tapasvi over here. They have rooms. So if you ever come, you want Hotel Tapasvi here. They have AC and non-AC rooms. There is Ibaco, the ice cream place here, which is like a popular ice cream place. There's another hotel which is on the right here. which is called the Orion Hotel. That's a very nice hotel, Orion, Orion Hotel. So why I'm showing you these hotels is because if you're coming on holiday here, they have a beautiful swimming pool on top over there. Let me just show you how the hotels here. So this is Turmeric Kitchen. This is a nice restaurant here. If you see on top, Hostel 66, it's like a cafe and lounge. There, this is Charcoal Chickens. This is also a very nice place because if you want to get kebabs or things like that. So let's go further on. I'm going to show you some other hotels as well. Here, this is RG Hospital. This is like one of the famous hospitals here in Goa, especially if you have stones or kidney stones or things like that. Domino's Pizza is here, Baskin Robbins, the soda is here. They make some really good North Indian snacks there. So on the right, there's another place called Mishra Peda. Mishra Peda also makes a lot of these chaats and really tasty snacks. This is mostly Indian snacks. So we are right now on the main area heading towards the Kukero Circle. Here you'll have more restaurants on the way. This is a famous restaurant here, this Aditya. They make vada pav and dosas, which is very popular, and people come here for breakfast because it's very reasonable and very cheap. So yeah, on the right there's another hotel here. I think we just passed it there. I'm just going to show you. I'll just stop on the side of the road. There's a very good hotel there, which is called the Kadamba, Hotel Grand Kadamba, which is that one there. So that is a really good hotel to stay as well, it's right on the main highway, but the rooms have the soundproofing, so you don't have any difficulties. Now here there's a restaurant called Spice House. They're good for tandooris on the left. So now we are reaching the Kukero Circle. Now why it is called Kukero Circle is actually because of a restaurant on the right of the Kukero Circle. Now this restaurant has been very popular because if you watch the movie, not a movie but a series called The Serpent on Netflix, that guy, he was like a serial killer. He was actually caught in this restaurant there, which is that restaurant right over there. It's called O Kukero. And yeah, now we are here on this road going towards Calangute. I took the left road. If you take the road towards the right, you would reach to Mapsa Highway. So that is the main Mapsa Highway. If you're going to Tivim, which is the railway station, that side, then that's the area to go from. Here there is this really big showroom here, which is called DIY. This is like if you want to get accessories and interesting things. Guys, I'm here super early in the morning. That's why most of the places are closed. But this is the only time I could ride a bike and shoot at the same time without the traffic disturbing me. So there's very less traffic early morning now. This is a really nice place here. This is one small place, but if you want juices, momos and things like that, over there. So this area is quite popular for tourists, but I'm going to show you some of the interesting things here. So there is one big supermarket here which is called Magson's. So if you want to get all your liquor and things like that, you can go to Magson's and you can get all your groceries as well. This area has see, this is like a kids place. This is called Poshak if you want to buy kids toys or clothes or prams or anything like that. So yeah, we are in the most popular tourist area of Porvorim here now. So these are all the wine stores that are here, popular wine stores. So all this area has a lot of wine stores here. Richie's Mart is here, that's another wine store. There's also popular salons here. Now here on the left there is this famous restaurant. This is one of Goa's most famous restaurants. This is a vegetarian restaurant called Cafe Bhosle. Guys, if you come to Goa, you have to go there. If you are a vegetarian, you'll love it. It's really good. So now here you have Wow Momos, but this is Wow Momos is of course like a place which is it's a chain basically, not a restaurant special to Goa, but yeah, they have a chain restaurant. Now we are slowly heading into the main area of Sangolda, which is the road going towards Calangute again. On the left here, they have another famous supermarket. They also have a lot of alcohol options here in that supermarket. So like Goa has a lot of alcohol in supermarkets compared to other states. So over here again, this area is like very famous for wine stores. So there's a big wine store here as well. It's called Wine Palace. Again we have Mishra Peda, which is another place here, which is the Mishra Peda like I showed you before. Over here you have Omeo Gelato. This is a very nice gelato that you can get here. Gelato is like an ice cream, if you guys don't know what gelato is. So as we are closing into the end of the road, I'm just going to show you the last few places. So over here you have Niaz Biryani, which is like the famous biryani place from Belgaum, which has opened up here in Goa. And the last place I want to show you guys on the highway is this place, which is this cafe here. It's a very famous cafe, and like local specialities, like all kinds of sweets and things like that. You have Bina Panjani also here if you want to get your hair. There is also Snip, which is just behind. So this is called Baker Street here. Baker Street is like this really good cafe here in Goa, and if you ever want to get coffees, donuts, things like that, you can come there. So over here is Copperleaf. Copperleaf is also a nice restaurant. They have one of the best thalis in North Goa here. So this is the Copperleaf here. And guys, just down there is the end of the road, which is entering into Sangolda area down. And then you go to Saligaon further down there. So yeah guys, that is it from this tour. So guys, that is it from here in Porvorim. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.